What up, guys? And welcome to a game called Grandpa Shia or Grandpa. And this is like a sequel. Oh, what the fuck? I see. Fuck, that was Grandpa in the window, I think. Fucking weirdo. And here you go again. And it's just like Granny, but it's like Grandpa, and he has a lot more stuff. I think. I don't even know. Can you please stop fucking showing in a gosh damn window? And yeah. I asked a friend if wanted me to upload Grandpa, and he said yeah. So I want to do this. So let's get fucking started. Wait for the terror. I'm gonna get fucked in the ass. Right. Oh. Open these. There's a green key. There's a goddamn hello neighbor here. Okay. Gotcha. Can I fix my sensitivities? Oh, thank you. I need to fix it a little bit more. I'm sorry, I need to fix my sensitivity. Fix it a little bit. Oh my god, I suck at it. There. I hear him. I hear him walk. Oh fuck. Please don't come over here. Grandpa? I fucking see him. Guys, going over there. What the fuck he did here? The fuck is this place? Why would I hide under the costume table? What is that? Is that a generator? Oh. I'm behind this cabinet. Oh, am I stuck? No, I'm not. Oh, shit. It's right there. God. I don't like this. Feels like hello neighbor. Fuck, I am not gosh damn shit. I don't really like that noise. He left? He did not see me. Blind as fuck. God, that makes noise. Can't use that. A fucking chainsaw? Use that! Come on! Oh, I gotta drop this. Oh my god. Guy over here. Got gosh damn chainsaw! I can use it to cut his ass. Where's the button to use that? Come on. Come on, bitch. I mean afraid. Let's go. Where the fuck am I? Gosh damn chainsaw, bitch. Where the fuck are you? I'm not even a pussy anymore. What a bitch. I'm gonna fuck you up. Come on. The fuck? He fucked me up. Damn, Grandpa. I never knew you can karate kick my ass. Like Naruto? Damn. Where the fuck am I? I can't use the chainsaw on him? That sucks ass. The fuck am I doing? What? Is it all? He's reacting about the dead body. That's why. Okay, right there. Sucks that you can't. Come on, carry this. Fucking take this. No! And she. Who's up there? Oh shit, I think he's gonna come up here. I'm walking. Was that him? Is he moving me? Hey, what the fuck you doing over there? What the fuck was that? I'm fucking home alone. And shit. I think I saw something. I'm kinda freaked out right now. I don't know, I'm just gonna check once this video is over. I'm gone. Check that. Fuck. I can go through these ones when I am on. What the fuck is my guy doing that? Why is he like looking at his fucking goddamn hands? Bro, stop looking at gosh damn hands. Wait, I got feet now. Got some hands like fucking Hell Neighbor shit now. Suck. Never mind. I hear him. What the fuck is that? I hear him. Gosh damn chainsaw and shit. Why can't I cut that dude? He has a melee weapon. And I have a fucking... Is he bugged? Is that man bugged? Hello? Is he bugged? He looks like a short midget. I think I bugged him. Oh shit! What the fuck? He kicked me in the dick! Grandpa knows my weakness in the dick! Harsh. Hide. Shit. comes open, I'm just gonna cut him in half. Gonna slice and dice his dick off, make him into a wiener hot dog, and I'm gonna. Oh shit! He found me. So he can look through closets. He's a hell neighbor. Oh shit! This might be tougher than Granny. Like you guys all know, I don't really like Granny that much. Holy shit! Well, I didn't really edit that much stuff to do on this. Well, I am sorry. This is a short video and stuff. So yeah. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you guys want me to do more of this. And thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. So peace out.